We absolutely are ready. B2C is certainly increased, and this year we expect to deliver 750 million packages.
No way.
Between Thanksgiving
That's
and
impossible.
Christmas. So when you think about
Santa
that,
does it. No.
Yeah, that's right. Santa helps us, so it's not impossible, but it takes a lot of planning, and we've increased our capacity. We're adding 95,000 seasonal workers. So we're confident that we'll have a good peak season this year.
David, I just wanted to go back to taxes for one second, which is I was curious, and I was talking to a CEO headquartered in New York City, as it happens, yesterday, and we were talking about the impact that these tax plans may have on his employees, and he was making a fascinating argument. He said, look, it's going to be great for the company in many ways because we'll have a lower tax rate, but for many of my employees, they're going to ultimately pay more. And because they're going to pay more, it's unclear whether they're going to go out and spend the kind of money that they did before. And so when you think about sort of consumer spending, yes, you could see it broadly, but this CEO was saying, look, this is going to happen in New York, it's going to happen in California, it's going to happen in a lot of the states where actually much of the spending has been taking place.
Yeah, when it comes to our employees, I do think that that it would depend a lot on what states that you're talking about. We knew coming in that to get a lower tax rate, and not only for companies but for individuals, that there would be certain deductions, certain credits that would be reduced. Some people, I think, will get the benefit more than others, but overall, everything that I've seen, the majority of our employees will be in better shape, and we certainly know that that it's going to help us to invest. It's going to help us to create additional jobs. So we think there's a multiplier effect. We think this is a positive move, not only for companies but also for our employees.
David, last month, not only your shares at UPS, but also FedEx's shares came under pressure on news that Amazon was experimenting with a new delivery system. Created a lot of concerns on the street about what that might mean if Amazon didn't need your help anymore. How do you respond to those concerns? What would you tell investors?
Well, we have a good relationship with Amazon. It's mutually beneficial, and we believe that will continue to be the case. There's areas where it makes a lot of sense for us to play a big role in their supply chain, and we do. And there could be other areas that maybe it's not as good for us or for them. So as long as it's mutually beneficial, I have confidence that we will continue to have a good relationship.
What areas would it not be as beneficial for you to be serving them as a customer?
Well, there's just certain packages that may not be as profitable for us to handle, and there may be places that we add more value to Amazon than, of course, you can get paid for that value. But we're not sitting up late at night worried about Amazon. We believe that that we do have this beneficial relationship between the two companies, and we think that will continue.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.